First, I want to say thank you to Minister Matthew Jones for allowing me this opportunity to be able to record this video for you guys. I'm sure if you made it this far into the website and you're watching this video, the picture is becoming extremely clear about how powerful God has touched this man and what he's doing with his life to be able to help impact the lives of others around him. The Righteous Movement, I've seen it grow from the ground up. I've been with Matt through this whole process on the ground floor. I've watched it turn from just a gym into every single Sunday, a room full of kids, hundreds of kids from the inner city of Detroit, learning about God, getting saved, getting filled with the Holy Spirit, and most importantly, not only learning how they can help themselves out and things that they can do to improve their life now, but how they can improve their life into the future. And that's what the Righteous Movement is really all about. And Matthew Jones, Minister Matthew Jones, that's all he does. This is his baby. This is everything that he dedicates his life to. This is the calling that he has from God.